So now what we're doing, we're gonna start the engine, check the oil pressure, make sure it has a good pressure, make sure it's holding pressure, and then we're gonna check for leaks. And then to end it off, we're gonna check the level of the oil, make sure it's at the proper level on the dipstick outside. So we're gonna start the engine up now. Looking pretty good. It's at about a little over 60. Looks like it's holding pressure. So we're good as far as this goes. Gonna check for leaks. Checking the oil level once the engine's turned off. Make sure it's at the proper level. There's some oil. That's the dipstick. That's how you make sure the oil's at the proper level. Make sure it as it needs to be. After that, oil change is complete.